Page 77, Exercise 1, Read Aloud, Passage Number 2. Today, Ajahn Mum is briefing us on the subject of implants, which is crucial and related process that we need to learn. Any proceeding procedures that require completed processing must follow a detailed parameter to determine factual information. According to Ajahn's recommendation, we have to read multiple textbooks in addition to our activities within the seminar's content. There is a useful textbook about evidence-based dentistry by Dr. Gary Goldstein and others that will help us to improve our thinking process to change routine learning capabilities. In addition, we have to find multiple literature and literally understand our reading competency as rapidly as we can. It seems to be a difficult task to approach the issue. However, it is just a surface elimination of old ideas to achieve innovative thoughts. Therefore, loading lots of information is not the only factor, but it will give us a chance to change and show our capabilities. We must be strong to grow in a mature direction, so that we can make our lives more related to us. Ajahn emphasized that we have positive thinking towards this novice attempt. It is our responsibility to make an initiative approach that is applicable and reroute ourselves. We may not be able to completely achieve all the tasks that Ajahn has directed us to do, but without our initiative, this change will not occur, and we will only be standing on still water.